Car insurance in USA. Car insurance for international visitors to the US and those who with a foreign driver's license. Car insurance is required of anyone who drives or owns a car in the United States, even if the driver is not a resident of the US or has a foreign driver's license. But the best car insurance depends on how long you plan to be in country. Short-term visitors to the United States who rent cars can typically buy the necessary insurance coverage directly from the rental company. Longer-term international visitors who purchase cars or bring one from their home country may need to buy auto insurance from a US-based company. Additionally, some states require longer-term visitors to get a license even if they don't intend to stay permanently. Car insurance for short-term foreign visitors. Car insurance for long-term international visitors. United States car insurance requirements. Do I need an international driver's permit as a foreign in the US? Car insurance for short-term foreign drivers. People who are visiting the US for a short time, such as for a vacation, probably will want to need to buy a car insurance from a standalone insurer. The easiest option is to get temporary insurance coverage directly from the car rental company. This coverage serves as an equivalent to liability insurance, which pays for any damage or injuries you might cause to another driver if you are deemed at fault in an accident. Most car rental companies will also offer you another layer of protection that pays for any damage to the car itself instead of simply covering your legal liability after an accident. Whether the peace of mind from additional coverage is worth the extra fee is largely a personal decision based on your comfort with driving in the US and your tolerance of our financial risk. Additionally, visitors from Canada, especially those driving their own cars, will likely be protected by the Canadian insurance while driving in the US. Check with your insurance company as well as the laws in the state you will drive in to be sure. Car insurance for long-term international visitors. If you are staying in the US for a sustained period of time and are planning on buying or leasing a car, you will need to get your own insurance policy. Auto insurance is a requirement in order to register and drive a vehicle in most states. Unfortunately, car insurance is not always simple or cheap to get for international visitors. Progressive stand out among popular car insurance companies because it allows you to get a quote online with an international license. A 6 month minimum coverage policy for a driver with a foreign license costs just $24 more than for a US driver, which breaks down to just over $2 more each month. Insurer Progressive $408 price for foreign driver, price for American driver $383. You may also be able to get coverage from another major national insurance provider by speaking with an insurance agent to the phone in person. State Farm, for example, require you to enter a social security number or a driver's license number to get a quit line, but some of the agents specialize in helping drivers with foreign license get car insurance. Small insurers that sell auto insurance to foreign drivers. A handful of smaller auto insurance companies advertise that they provide insurance for drivers with foreign license. However, several of these providers, such as Infinity and Gansho, specialize in working with high risk drivers, which means they may charge high rates. Small insurers that sell car insurance to foreign drivers include Dairyland, Infinity, Kimper, Halomar, Gansho, Assurance America. In general, visitors from overseas are likely to pay more for car insurance. American car insurance companies use your driving history, like how long you have been licensed and recent accident, to determine your rate. Without a US license, an insurance provider won't have access to this transfer information and may charge you high rates. You may be required to get a US license. Depending on the laws of the place in which you are staying in the US, you may be required to get a local driver's license in order to legally drive there. For example, in the Commonwealth of Virginia, international visitors must get a Virginia's driver's license if they live there for more than 6 months or are their employers.